Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to tell you some amazing facts about one of the world's most famous structure, Eiffel Tower. I visited Eiffel Tower in the summer of 2018 and was truly mesmerized by its elegance and beauty. It's only when you are standing under the Eiffel Tower you truly understand its sheer magnitude. Surely we have seen it in pictures and in movies, but until you actually visit the tower, the Iron Lady is something that only exists as an image in our imagination. Today I will be sharing some amazing facts that I came to know during my visit to Paris. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars, which is a large garden located in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Locally nicknamed as La Dame de Fer, which is the French term for Iron Lady, it was constructed from 1887 to 1889 as the entrance to 1889 World's Fair and was initially criticized by some of the France's leading artists and intellectuals for its design, but it has become a global cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The tower was meant to commemorate the centennial of French Revolution and show off France's modern mechanical powers on a world stage. Now 130 years after its construction, it is one of the most visited paid movement in the world. So let's move ahead and we will see some amazing facts about it. Fact number 1. The Eiffel Tower was supposed to be torn down after 20 years. As mentioned before, the tower was built with the intent of showing France's industrial powers during the World's Fair, but the plan was to tear it down after 20 years. Eiffel had cleverly put a radio antenna and wireless telegraph transmitter in the tower, and the government eventually decided it was too useful to demolish. Fact number 2. Tallest structure. Yes, when it was built, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest structure in the world at 300 meters. It held this title until 1930 when Chrysler Building at 318 meters opened in New York City. Fact number 3. Gustave Eiffel did not design the tower. While Eiffel earned the naming rights for the tower, it was actually two men who worked for his company, Maurice Koechlin and Émile Nouguier, who drew the original design. The two engineers teamed up with the French architect Stéphane Sostre on the plans for the monument and entered into a contest to choose the main attraction for the World's Fair. Fact number 4. There is a secret apartment at the top. When Gustave Eiffel designed his namesake tower, he cleverly included a private apartment for himself where he hosted famous guests like Thomas Edison. The apartment is now open for the public to tour. Fact number 5. Hitler ordered the Eiffel Tower to be destroyed. When Germany occupied France during the Second World War, Hitler ordered that the Eiffel Tower to be torn down, but the order was never followed though. In fact, French resistance fighters got their revenge in a way. They cut the tower's elevator cables so that Nazis were forced to climb the stairs to hoist their flag. Fact number 6. There is a post office in the Eiffel Tower. Yes, when you go to the first floor of the tower, next to the gift shops, there is a tiny post office. Pick up une carte postale and a stamp and have it mailed from the Eiffel Tower post office and it will be delivered with the unique postmark. Fact number 7. The Eiffel Tower moves. Yes, this massive iron structure is a wind resistant and will sway during a storm. If the weather is bad enough, it can even move. Wind isn't the only thing that can make the enormous tower move, though the heat of the sun also affects the tower, causing the iron to expand and contract up to 7 inches. Fact number 8. The Eiffel Tower doubled as scientific laboratory. Mr. Eiffel housed a meteorology lab on the tower's third floor where he performed studies in physics, aerodynamics, and built a wind tunnel. Eiffel opened the doors of the lab to other scientists as well to use for their experiments, and the cosmic rays were discovered there. Fact number 9. It takes a lot of work to keep the Eiffel Tower looking good. Every 7 years, around 60 tons of paint are applied on the tower. It not only keeps the so-called Iron Lady looking good, but it also protects it from iron rusting. Fact number 10. There is a military bunker underneath the Eiffel Tower. Underneath the tower's south pillar sits a snug bit of history, a secret military bunker that may connect to a nearby École Militaire via a long tunnel. The bunker has now been turned into a small museum and tour groups can explore the space. Fact number 11. The Eiffel Tower is covered in the name of scientists. French scientists and engineers working in the 19th century were not forgotten by history. Their names are engraved on the Eiffel Tower. Now coming to the last fact about the Eiffel Tower, you will be surprised to know that there is a champagne bar at the top. So if you are brave enough to reach the top of the tower, reward yourself with a glass of champagne from the champagne bar, which is built on the top floor. There is nothing like a glass of bubbly with a spectacular view. I hope this video helped you in knowing the Iron Lady a bit better, and if you find the content useful, do like the video and kindly subscribe to my channel. With all this information, I would like to end this video and will back next week with some other marvelous building.